Hello and good morning. Welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video. This gorgeous G20 330i we have in. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of its features and options, as well as giving you an in-depth look at its condition and some of the styling upgrades we've made. So this is a 330i. Don't let the badge confuse you. It's a 2 litre with a twin turbo. So unlike the 320i, which is a single turbo producing about 190 to 200 brake horsepower, this is a 260 brake horsepower 2 litre. So quite fuel efficient, depending of course on how it's driven in the environment. But having driven one personally, upwards of 40 miles per gallon. Very frugal and very good 8-speed automatic paddle shift gearbox. This is done below average mileage with just 15,000 miles and one owner from brand new. Black metallic, fitted with some gorgeous upgrades. Let's take a look around. So we've got the diamond turned kidney grille, 3-piece front splitter, which gives that front a bit of an aggressive look. 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres in high gloss black. Being a 330i, it's equipped with the M Sport brakes. Brand new discs on the front. Paintwork is absolutely flawless. Really well looked after car. There you see the gloss black sidebars, the M Performance decal. The wheels are staggered, so wider fitment on the rear, as per OEM. Privacy glass, high kick rear spoiler, and the dual exhaust diffuser. You may notice on some of our cars we fit the quad diffuser. If it's something you prefer, please ask. Original mats and split folding rear seats. This one also has the gloss black badges. Yet to go through our 3-stage detailing process, so it will make the fantastic paintwork even better. Full BMW service history, 2 keys present, LED headlights, LED tail lights which are automatic, cruise control, reversing camera, parking sensors. Let's take a look at the inside. Really nice contrast with the oyster leather seats, which are of course heated, and you have the electric lumbar support option. There you see the electric folding mirror option, which is really nice. Let's take a look inside. You'll notice on this new generation 3 series, everything is digital. Touchscreen, DAB, Bluetooth, phone and media playback. Let's take a look at the service history for you. Next oil service in 21,000 miles, brake fluid in August of 2024. And there we have the 2 services logged. Really tidy condition. As with all our cars, this is physically in stock, ready to drive away. You can reserve this car with a £250 deposit. Part exchange is welcome. Finance quotes are available on our website or by giving us a call, text or WhatsApp. We appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching, and for more great stock, please check our website. We have around 25 of these G20s physically in stock, ready to go. Thank you for watching.